Introduction to Macroeconomics should be as a course which will be basically building up on the essential knowledge from economics, but this course will basically take a look on perspective of the overall economy. So it will be not about the decisions of the individuals or consumers, but rather we will talk about some basic principles and phenomena which are happening on the national level or economic level. And we will cover very essential kind of topics like inflation, which was a very hot topic recent years, as well as the unemployment, short-term economic growth, long-term economic growth, and also how these all kind of concepts are applying in the real world. The course will focus on the theoretical principles, but also will pay a lot of attention to putting those principles to the reality. Also, on a weekly basis, we will deal with the current articles published somewhere in the newspapers, and we will try to discuss them, evaluate them, and to try to find some conclusions from them. So in terms of evaluation, I anticipate that we will have like 3 or 4 papers for you to write, but basically brief papers where you will describe certain economic problem and then try to find a solution, try to find if it is relevant even nowadays. And then the second part of it is about how those principles are applied in the real world in terms of economic policy. So those macroeconomic policies which are well known are monetary policy as well as fiscal policy. And we will talk a lot, because that's the hot topic of this year, is how to, for example, try to make our public debt sustainable, what kind of factors is influencing that. And yeah, it's always a good thing to have a lot of discussions about it, and students typically like this kind of discussions, so I really appreciate your interest in the course, and hopefully I'll see you on the fall semester. Thank you.